ऊपर चढ़ा, उसको मार रहा होएगा, मैं गेम खेला था, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया। सडनली मेरे को ध्यान आता है पीछे कुछ कमोशन चल रहा है। आई लुक बिहाइंड, पीचू इज हैंगिंग फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ द अलमीरा एंड वो उसको मार रहा है।
Then what happened?
Then I beat him up.
Oh,
He choke slammed that cat, dude.
it doesn't scratch you after that?
Bro, scratch क्या?
No.
वो how do you beat him? चप्पल वप्पल फेंकता है क्या? क्या
The
करता
bird is disciplined.
है? How do you even beat a cat? I don't get it.
You don't beat a cat, you hold it and you like जैसे वो करते हैं, वो आपस में एक दूसरे को कैसे दिखाते हैं।
जैसे जिगल करता है क्या?
How does one cat show to another cat they are more dominant?
Show the teeth and spit at it.
By pissing on them.
By spitting on their face? Or you spit on your cat's face?
If you are able to hold its neck and press it down, या फिर कोई भी कि वो जवाब ना दे पाए,
So you
तो
choked
जमीन पे
him.
तुमने दबा दिया।
You
या फिर
basically choked
See, I
him.
was right about half of the shit.
So you did the choke slam without the slam.
Yeah. He
I
choked
did
him.
not choke it at all. That is like it has already grown up to know that I am the alpha here. मेरे से पंगा नहीं लेना।
Damn, Ferox choking pussy. Oh my god.
Indian guy chokes pussy. Porn up पे डालो. Then it's just Ferox torturing his cat. Not torturing, like showing them who's boss.
Alpha
Not
male.
actually, yeah, showing them who's alpha.
Alpha
Guy
male
chokes pussy. Yeah. That's a.
Then जब इसको पिटाई करनी है उसकी, then you hold him in your
No,
hand
dude,
like
dude,
as
dude,
if
I
you are
have-
cradling him, and
I
then
have a
दूसरे
better
हाथ से
title.
you smack it.
Alpha male chokes pussy while
ये
concerned
देखो वापस आ गया,
wife
देखो वापस आ गया, fucker.
Bro, turn your camera on so we can see the action.
Yo, Smith. I have something to add to the title, bro.
Yeah, tell me.
Alpha male chokes pussy while concerned wife looks on.
Oh god. Oh, there he
ये
is.
देख,
So this
What's
is
this?
Patches, right?
this is Patches, this asshole, and he's come back. He's come back for more.
Oh, so you're gonna choke him again?
This is how he gets beaten.
Look,
ऐसे
look.
पकड़ता हूँ, पकड़ता है ऐसे करके। See that reaction उसका? He's a glutton for punishment. इसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, इसको तुम punishment दे दो, रूम में बंद कर
cat is
दो,
into
रस्सी से
BDSM.
बांध के रखो पूरे दिन। None of my other cats have a collar. किसी को बांधने की जरूरत नहीं because they don't go out for that long. This guy इसको specifically collar बांधा है because he goes out and he comes back after 2 days, 3 days.
Bro, put a tracker on him or like fence him, like electric fence him.
The tracker won't last more than 8-9 hours. He goes out for 3
Electric
days.
fence will last. Electric fans will make sure the cat doesn't last for 8-9 hours.
इधर देख, look at this.
Porn up guy, dude. Sits on his desk all day. Eats chips, beats pussy.
While the wife watches, yes.
By the way, watches him. He has this fucking National Geographic going on behind him.
मैंने पता मेरे को कैसा इमेजिन किया था आवाज से, वॉइस से। दाढ़ी सफेद हो गई रहेगी,
Dude, what? No.
है ना?
पेट निकल आया होगा। अरे हेयर की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, अरे हेयर की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ,
He's talking about your beard.
ये है ना, पेट निकल आया रहेगा, मतलब एकदम जैसे लोगों को नहीं होता बेल्ट, ऐसा लगता है कि पेट को दबा के बांध दिया वैसा। याद तो देख रहा हूँ।
वो Fortuner चलाते वैसे टाइप लोग।
हाँ वैसे
White shirt, white
अभी देख रहा हूँ मैं पहली टाइम,
red,
ऐसे लग रहे हैं लाइक।
अच्छा, मतलब you already created an image of Ferox in your head and you're disappointed now.
वॉइस से, oh obviously.
I thought he's in college, honestly. And then he's like, I'm 32. I'm like,
अरे Ferox, अबे जवान लौंडे।
no, but then I didn't see him, na, his face. I just heard him.
Now what do you think he's in? What college do you think he goes to?
Honestly,
अभी तो
that's
कैमरा
28,
चल रहा है, अभी तो कैमरा चल रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई। वरना फिर बाद में बुला के हेलो इधर आओ, देखो लड़के क्या कह रहे हैं, हाई स्कूल इज लाइक
हेलो।
अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ, तुम बूढ़े हो गए, चलो हटो।
I actually call myself a year older. अगर मैं 31 हूँ, मैं 32 बोलता हूँ। because मेरा भी 32 पूरा नहीं हुआ, 32 पूरा होएगा in September.
Oh,
but
so
आप
it's one
लग तो
of
रहे
those
हैं ना?
stand-up shits, right? Where you say you're year older and then when you cut the cake, you say, "अरे अभी तक 32 है मैं सिर्फ वैसा."
ए चूजा कटा केक के साथ
You're catching on, you're catching on, buddy, you're catching on.
And
You know, सोने से पहले she'd climb on top of me and ऐसे घूमती है. So it's like जब ये छोटे होते हैं when they're young and they drink their mother's milk, वो पीते टाइम पे they'll keep like kind of kneading अपने हाथ से पंजे निकाल के ऐसे knead करते. She still has that habit. She'll climb on top of me and she'll like ऐसे मसाज करेगी. जब थक जाएगी at least 15-20 मिनट
so you
बाद
breastfed her, did you?
Yeah, I fed her.
why would what the fuck?
Yeah, I fed them when they were young. I fed them with drippers and cotton.
How? Like bottles, you know.
With his nipples,
नहीं,
bro. How else?
Bottle is very big.
Does he with his nipples? He fed him with his nipples.
Dude, I can't imagine him doing that.
आधा दिन तो इन्हीं में निकल जाता होगा बेटा कुछ ले लो एक और ले लो
ऑफिस लेके गया था. शायद 2 हफ्ते के थे. चारों को ऑफिस लेके गया.
And then you breastfed them there.
वो ना देखो घर पे आके मारेगा मेरे को लग रहा है अभी से. ज्यादा बोल रहे थे
Dude, Ferox को बच्चा हुआ ना, dude. Fuck, then scenes are gonna get lit. this cat is gonna fight his kid, bro. Then he's gonna have a problem.
Oh dude, she does. She does. अगर दूसरी जो है नाना मेरे पास आके बैठ जाए और मैं उसको प्यार करूँ ना, she starts hissing.
अबे नहीं, अबे लेकिन तेरा बच्चा तो नहीं है ना वो. Dude, she literally like. तो तुझे पता है बिल्लियाँ मार करती हैं टेरिटरी. yeah, but pissing on it.
Yeah, they don't literally piss on it. They spray. So spray is
Spray
mixed with
alcohol,
piss
yeah.
because it can't just be hormones. So they mix their hormones with the piss.
There's an entire
And-
South Park episode about this.
National Geographic.
These guys are operating. तो हम उसमें है नहीं है. They are all operating. लेकिन she still comes around me. जब सुबह सुबह उठ के आती है, she's trying to spray. She wiggle her little, but like.
Oh, Ferox with the they colon in the morning.
अरे हम लोग गेम में क्यों नहीं है
Ferox. Cat butt pickle enjoyer. Enthusiast.
She like kind of.
छोटे जानवरों के शौकीन लगता
कब उसको
Hey, man, I
imprinting.
don't Ferox. I'm pretty sure any one of us would have like to.
छोटे
Yeah,
जानवर
anyone
का
would-
शौकीन.
Wait, what?
DB was like छोटे जानवर का शौकीन लगता है.
And dude, see, I won't blame Ferox, dude. Any of us would like to have some pussy rubbed into their face in the morning.
That's actually how she does it.
मेरा
ओह ये तो बहुत अच्छा है एक बार लिख करना तो बनता है ऐसा तू नहीं तो चल मैं ही कर लेता हूँ लाइक
god damn.
Bro, why do you want to lick his cat, dude? That's fucked up.
उसने मैं ब्लेड की बात का रिप्लाई कर रहा हूँ डबल फीलिंग में थी ना
You know the cat can lick itself, right? You don't need to lick it.
ब्लेड
चुप रंडी, चुप हो
So
जा.
now I understand how he relieves stress after playing with us, dude. ये बिल्ली के साथ खेलता है. That sort of calms him down. This is the first time I'm seeing him smile. like, I'm pretty sure every time he queues with us, he's like, ah, shit, here we go again. GN2 आता है, बाद में silver हो जाता है. GN2 आता है.
Isn't working only, so I don't know. Some issue.
Okay, time for another
Invisible, you should speak. I really feel like shit right now. I can't read.
Time for another story.
Oh, but what?
I'll just tell you later.
Yes, but he actually has
Yeah.
or had or is having cancer.
Has and is having are the same thing, bro.
Blade has cancer. It should be
No,
Gamer King, you play CS?
You don't know the whole story. He's in remission. Shut up. Let him be in
No,
remission.
no, Nomad. I don't have cancer. I am the cancer.
There's no
Wait, then
cancer.
what?
Gamer
Wait, then
King, you
what
play
am I?
CS?
Dude,
What am I?
Blade, I like you to spread all over my body, man. Sorry, you're the testicles which has Blade.
Yeah, we going on a date. I coming to take you out on a date, bro. That was the best pickup line I've heard. Dude. Fuck.
Wait, what did he
Yeah,
say?
go to a chemo patient and you're like,
He wants me to spread all over his body.
oh, that's what cancers do. Aladdin, motherfucker. He's the motherfucker.
So
I really hope I don't test positive, man. Monday को birthday और ये सब हो रहा है.
कुछ नहीं होगा बेटा.
Birthday is on
Aladdin, I'll tell you one thing. You fix that you have COVID. So if the test comes positive, you'll already be fixed that you'll get positive. So there's
I'll be I'm okay with that because I don't even leave my room anyway, so it's fine.
they're
So
gonna
what
chuck
are your
you in
plans for the
institutional
birthday, man?
quarantine, retard.
I had plans, but now this happened. Like, from like
Nah, it's
2
not
PM
necessary.
today.
अबे कुछ नहीं पिटाई से बच रहा है.
Should I go take? Both are fine.
Congrats.
Let me just get this
birthday
right.
and death day on the same day. Nice.
Bro.
Yeah, that would be best.
Just wait, what do you celebrate? Do you celebrate the death or the birthday if that
Both.
happens?
You don't celebrate the death day, you
If that
idiot.
happens,
What the hell is wrong with you?
You celebrate neither.
Yeah,
This
dude,
guy's
raw.
dad pulls off a bottle so well, dude.
raw
Chari is like, bro,
And
Chari is
then
like
Chari
vector and his dad is like Gru.
पागल इधर इधर कौन सा यार?
Bro, I got the perfect. Bro, Chari's dad is Gru and Chari himself is Vector from Despicable Me. Chari himself is Vector.
I mean, he does look like Groot, except for the
He does.
big long nose, you know.
I mean,
but
he has a
Vector's
sweater,
real
he
dad-
has to look everything.
Vector's real dad, the guy who owned the bank. He looks
Oh
more
yeah,
like
yeah,
that
yeah, yeah, that is. That
rather
is.
than Gru.
So your dad owns the bank, huh?
time to
Switzerland.
form some
Bank in
relationships.
Can we talk business, Chari?
Bro, you know, I would never use that kind of a tape anyway, bro. Like, imagine it just like, I release it and my penis just gets cut off or something, dude.
Congratulations, you are now a Muslim.
No. Now your skin is well worn.
Battle's gone.
Battle's gone.
कौन सा pistol बोला तू Blade? That single shot silent.
Restart,
Have you heard one of those? Holy shit, that sounds like.
It just goes.
Ah,
It goes. That's
yeah,
it.
that's what it sounds like. And people die, dude. It's amazing.
अबे साले मैंने बूंदी रायता मंगाया. मैं अभी खोल के पहला बाइट खाया. साला इट्स लिटरली दही और दही के अंदर बूंदी डाल दिया और कुछ नहीं है.
बूंदी रहता और क्या रहता है भी चुत्तड़.
अबे साले मसाले होते हैं उसमें.
Okay, fair enough.
Fair enough.
दिस इज लिटरली दही और दही के अंदर बूंदी.
You have to add some jhaat masala to your bundi, dude.
We are thinking to ban you from the clan.
Okay, what? We're a clan now?
Yeah, Ferox thinks we're a clan, so we're a clan.
What?
Yep.
So if Ferox thinks you're gay, that means you're gay.
That is how it works.
Oh, gay then.
Wait, right now you're at your parents' house or you're living alone?
Leaving alone.
parents.
He's leaving alone.
Wait, they're cool with you screaming all you what you scream.
Of course.
They are asleep most of the time.
Vegetative state or something.
Wait, what? Sir, what? Sorry.
Nothing.
What?
I think he broke Ferox is broken.
Did you hear his sneeze?
Let's talk about abortion. One more.
Everyone should be aborted. Easy.
Agreed.
Population,
Even after you're born, be
population should be
aborted.
changed. Population should be
Okay.
Thanos.
Thanos snap.
Yes.
That is too many snap.
So, I think
Hello?
has brains enough.
What? Why did you send me a bot ka command? Do you think I'm a bot?
No, but you're close enough.
Oh.
teachers didn't even care. There was one time just because I was sitting in one seat and this one guy he wanted to sit next to me ताकि मेरा टिफिन खा सके. There was another guy called I don't know what his name was. Hira was sitting next to me and he has a fight with Hira. They end up beating each other up in the classroom in front of the teacher. He breaks his tooth. His hand gets cut all the way like through his fist because उसका दांत पे लगा है. And it's like they go to the infirmary, come back and they're sitting in the class. The teacher can't do shit.
The whole thing is
You guys carry
Dude, I
three in
mean,
your sock.
see-
I carried pen drive in my sock, dude.
Bro, wait till you. I mean, let's do a detailed analysis of the story. One guy broke his hand, so he can't eat this guy's tiffin. The other guy broke his jaw, so he can't eat his tiffin. So Ferox.
Situation, bro. But this same guy who had a fight and he cut his wrist, he apparently knew, liked this girl in the class. It was like classmate. There were 20 guys and only 7 or 8 girls, right? And she, along with the others, she came with friendship bands, and she came to tie me one and one to my friend Vineet. This guy saw it again. मेरे को लगा मैं पिटूंगा आज तो मैं गियो. I'm not going back in one piece. He comes to me and he says, "Do you like her?" No, I don't. Okay. Return it back to her. I'm like, yeah, okay, no problem.
Lot of storytelling.
I am going back to give this to her, huh? She comes, walks past me, goes to him, and she starts an argument with him. Dude,
Fight.
लड़के तो लड़के, लड़कियां भी लड़ती है यहाँ पे.
Like, how did the argument sound like? थोड़ा reenactment करना. ये मेरे पेड़ा से क्या बोले तुम?
He's staring at the webcam, dude.
Hello.
What the fuck are you talking, dude?
He got you there.
What the fuck are you talking? You're gonna wear condoms so that you can prevent COVID transmission? How the fuck is that protection?
Then what is a PP
PP kit. Arey, Gandu, you're comparing PP kit and a condom. So whenever, for
He
example,
doesn't know what a PP kit is. He thinks PP is a private part.
dude,
Yeah.
PP is not your dick, man. PP is
Wait,
personal
what?
protection kit.
Acha.
Gandu.
Fuck is wrong with you?
How to play that? Yeah. And sorry, मुझे game के भी जाना पड़ा. I had a urgent call from my father.
Oh.
Urgent call from father means Ferox go shoot.
Arey, if we start Minecraft right now,
Second time he left me, Ferox.
if
Yeah,
we-
bro.
if
Yeah,
we-
sorry, bro.
if we
Next
start-
time anything happens, even if the world is coming to an end, I'll sit with you.
Then I won't be there, I guess.
Dude, someone is sweating like mad.
I ain't playing.
भाई मैंने fan on कर दिया है, ठीक है? I had my fan off.
What is that on that fan? Wait, show me.
What
I
are
want
those
to see
stickers,
it.
dude?
What are the
What are those
stickers? What is
stickers?
it?
Okay, one
Oh, it's to
is
simulate a beach.
one is giraffe.
Madagascar चल रहा है bro यहाँ पे. What the?
I wanna order some food, bro, but fucking lockdown, man.
Oh, there is no food even lockdown for delivery.
अरे 11 बजे के बाद डिलीवरी खत्म, bro.
मैं वही बोल रहा था मैच. ये लोग सुन नहीं रहे थे. मैं वही बोल रहा था. 10 बजे बैंगलोर में बंद हो जाता है. 11 पुणे में
Hey,
होगा.
by the way, Ferox, this
खुले रहते हैं.
Oh wait, dude, there's an auntie whose dad is literally, so she makes food.
Your voice cut out. Dude. Hear you.
No, I was saying that there is an auntie in my society. She literally lives like on the first floor of my building, and her house is listed as a restaurant on Swiggy.
what?
रात को 4 बजे तक डिलीवर करती हो. Dude, मैं लगाऊं क्या नंबर सब?
उनको बोलना आंटी को चाहिए खाने को भूख
Dude,
लगी है.
yeah, bro, she makes pizzas and shit, bro.
God damn.
पिज्जा भी मिलता है. आंटी अभी खाने को दे दो ना प्लीज.
Bro, I'm pretty sure that auntie was like a, a stoner in
college years because then we understood, like, you know, oh yeah, there is a very good market for, you know,
this shit.
No. The market. She understands the taklif. Dil ki taklif. Dil ki zarorat.
I mean, if you can satisfy a demand with sentiment behind it, then oh my god, you're a good businessman, dude. Oh my god.
What?
Yeah, where do you think the P lives, bro?
P lives. Where does P live?
lives in-
Ika
in the
Nivas.
ball.
Ika Nivas कहाँ पे है? It lives in your. Of course, it lives in your balls.
No. Of course it does.
Hell fucking no. Tell me, you're telling me that 100 years of science has not proven that trees live in the balls.
Dude, I had to express this to the patient for like half an hour that pee doesn't come from your balls. No, I don't want to do this again. Please.
No, it does, bro. What the fuck?
P is stored in the balls, bro. P is stored in the balls.
You cannot see these doctors.
If you're talking about pee which is white in color, no. If you're talking about pee which is white in color, then it comes from the walls.
What other color is it? What other color is it?
The kidneys are a part of your digestive system.
All of us being worried about having sex, not having sex. This guy over here pouring streams of semen every day, dude. Damn.
金红航天，港红天，看到没有？这个那个看到，什么呢？
What?
Motherfucker just got fucking possessed by a Chinese demon.
Yeah, dude. COVID हो गया बेचारे को.
COVID हो गया बेचारे को.
Unlucky, is this Hey, dude.
What?
Whose English out here is like half.
I would say mine is
Half what?
Okay.
half decent.
So here is a very
We all have decent English.
literary philosophical question. Okay.
Yes.
So unlucky. Roman.
Yeah.
The existence of a sex offender implies the existence of a sex defender.
Oh no. Oh no.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Think about this.
Isn't
Write
on
a
my
fucking
book.
MPhil thesis on your English dissertation.
Yeah, 500 word essay. No, 500 page essay. This is some deep shit.
Indeed, it is.
Sex defender. Bro. So
Yeah,
what
actually,
does...
Just Google sex defender and see what comes up.
Dude, what if Captain America comes up?
Oh, what? What?
Bro, he's what is he? National Defender? I don't know, America's Defender. Something like that.
Windows Defender.
Windows Defender. Yeah. Sex Defender. It just says, did you mean sex offender? This one.
Wow.
Everyone turn on your camera or gay.
Okay.
I would
I guess
prefer
I
being
am gay.
I guess I'm gay too.
Hara.
Arey, dude, god damn it. The collective incarnation of humanity's PTSD has arrived.
What?
That's what your parents should have named you, but they decided, fuck it, it's too long, so we'll name you Om instead.
These goddamn leftists. Name everyone who's left you if you think you're a leftist. Oh, you're a leftist. Name everyone who's left you. Best.
Oh, you're an engineer. Name every engineer.
Do you know I bought 2 of these mugs?
I hear you, brah.
What? No, bro, I bought 2 of these mugs.
Those are good beer mugs, so yeah.
I mean, the second one I bought for my dad who doesn't drink. I don't know.
Wait, I thought you said your dad drinks.
I mean, he stopped all of a sudden.
How did your Friday go?
So I'm fucking
Yeah, I'm drunk as fuck, yo.
fuck, dude. Hell yeah.
Even unlucky is drunk as fuck.
Yeah, I just just can't see that.
Oh, dude, fuck. Dude, unlucky you're on mute, bro. I wanted to tell you something. I forgot.
Yeah, dude, what? What do you want to tell you? What did you want to
What did he want to tell you?
I'm not. Why am I not on mute? You muted me.
Arey, you're on mute, Ray, retards. Unmute yourself, unlucky.
What?
What? I am not on mute, you dumb for a
You
bitch.
are I muted him.
Dude, this is absolute pinnacle of drunk conversation, dude.
You don't have to tell. Unbelievable.
Why does Chari have vocal cords? I wonder.
Why was he given the gift of voice, dude?
Why is he even born, dude?
Yeah.
I mean,
Or why was he given the gift of vision? Why can't he become?
I wasn't given the gift of humanity, bro. Like, sun is a
Yeah.
thing in the world.
I know, right, dude? This guy has just been born a pig who's being fed slop in a barn, dude.
Dude, looking at Om now, the sperm which won the race would also feel sad, man.
But the sperm which won the race would like use another sperm to hang itself from the fucking fallopian tube.
Yeah, like this sperm of all sperm one.
What am I destined to become? Oh, great creator, why have you done?
I probably won't come back. That's the problem.
What do you mean? What?
Arey, Dadu has had COVID, right? So dad's staying. Yeah,
तू तो आ सकता है ना?
नहीं ना, that's the thing. He'll like want to stay with Dadu.
अरे तो
He
let
may
him
only
stay.
have like. Arey, dude, it's not that simple. Mom also has to like take care of Nanu, Nani. They're also getting old. बहुत सारा काम है. So I'll be there at least for like minimum 3 to 4 weeks. No. So here's the
3
question.
to 4 weeks is fine, dude. I thought like 2 months.
Even that's a possibility. That's what I'm saying. Like if I go there and then COVID worsens and they.
अरे तो फिर they need to stay there. They can stay there. You can come back. Simple.
I can't.
He is basically saying he's grown up and वो हाथ बटाने वाला है.
Oh.
Yeah, he's gonna be the big boy of the house now. He's gonna walk up to his dad and he'll look at me. I'm the dad.
Okay then.
How about I take even Blade for dinner or I mean for lunch or something?
I don't know.
Cool.
Blade? Nutty.
What? Why are you taking me out for lunch? Bitch, I don't want to go to jail.
Nutty.
Okay, I'm not coming to jail. ये जेल ले जाएगा सच में dude.
Oh yeah, both of you fuckers are more than 18. Even Chari is 18.
Now, I think.
No, I
A trip to a good food place and then a trip to jail.
Yeah.
Oh, and the trip to jail is free.
Dude, this guy's changing the meaning of child smuggling. The child is doing the smuggling.
Okay, you guys want to play a copy?
Yes, but we have 6 people.
Oh no.
I'm not playing.
Why?
Because I don't want to.
Why?
Because I don't want to.
Why?
Stop playing the Y game, dude. Shut the hell up.
Why?
The Y game. Lulle. Hey, why the hell is your course teaching you Power BI?
Why?
I'm asking you why.
No. What?
Imagine replying to a question with a why, dude. What the fuck?
That's the
Teacher asks you what is the powerhouse of a cell? Why?
Why would you like to know? Please solve this captcha before you get the answer.
आपका कुछ कोटक सिक्योरिटी
What? Dude, he sounds like someone who would randomly call your mobile and ask for your insurance or some bullshit like that. What the hell?
I can help you out with your life. All you need to do is give me your credit card number.
What?
Hey, Om, listen.
What?
Profile 2.
What?
Profile 2, bro. That was some really good timing.
What the hell? What the hell?
You know what we should actually do? We should go to a casual game and try to sabotage each other's team. And the team that loses wins, like Among Us. Oh no.
Oh no. Sus.
Sus. Oh god.
Aladdin is here.
Hey, wow, Aladdin.
Yes.
What? Okay. Are you doing drugs?
What?
Your yes sounded like.
Your yes sounded very weird.
Yeah. Yes. I will rape you.
Of course, bro. All means.
Okay, not me.
Let's call him.
Oh, dude.
Hey, so you're a doctor, right?
How many times are you gonna ask me the same question?
What if you had the power of
Every time. No.
If you had the power of healing people by raping them, would you do it?
No.
If they would consent it, right?
No, dude.
Oh wait, then it's not
rape.
Okay, then it's okay.
No.
Okay.
Okay, so there's a guy like बहुत जीने का टाइम है उसके पास 25 साल 30 साल का ही है and he gets fucking terminal cancer. Would you rape him and save his life?
If
He would ask him the same question, would he? But he wouldn't tell if it was him.
by the way, that won't be that won't come under rape, dude. See, now if you go and like
he doesn't know you have the power, okay?
Yeah, he doesn't know.
But I'll tell him now. But I'll tell him.
No, you won't. You'll just ask him. If you wanted to be saved and this was the like
this was the
requirement.
This was the cap. Like you rape him.
If he said yes, then would you do it?
Abbe, no.
Then you're cruel. Then you should save him, dude. You should save him.
Bro, then.
Yeah.
For example, what if he's a human? No, what if he's a what is this called? Male, dude, like a boy.
Yeah. So what?
I literally said it's a guy.
You're a doctor, right? You need to save people.
So you won't save his life?
No, I won't, dude.
What
I leave my profession.
Not a doctor. Not a doctor.
I leave my profession.
In front of him.
Oh, naughty. All naughty dreams.
I'm just curious how he managed to do it.
Hey, here you go. Here's the difference between you and what's his name. Would you, if you had the power to save someone's life from some fucked up
He'll say yes, dude.
He'll say yes.
And he wants all children. That's it. Only children. I'll tell you.
One person.
I'll tell you
fucking retards. One person speak. Yeah, ask the question, unlucky. Ask him the question.
Dude, if you had the ability to heal someone by raping them, would you rape them to heal them without consent?
Oh my fucking god.
Dude, his answer will be yes, and it should be children. Nothing else.
PDF file. He's a PDF file.
Or a Korean chick.
No, dude, nothing. Just pussy.
Why? What is a PDF file? And why is my uncle being taken into jail because of it?
Oh, dude, wait. I have to send this to you as well, Shivi. It's a true cause. I haven't seen anything.
Smith, what did you say?
I haven't seen anyone in need of
CT tag 93. Hey, wait, push, chutiye.
Push?
Damn, dude. What?
Is that what you'll tell a person who's in labor?
You mean woman in labor?
So it's good.
Person is gender neutral, bro. Don't say woman. Woman is bad.
Woman is bad.
Woman is bad. Yes.
Dude, wait. How can a man be in labor? What the hell do you mean?
They can be in labor.
I said person.
But I said in person there can only be one gender being in labor.
There can be man in labor, bro. Yeah, what do you think these UPBRE people do?
Oh my.
Dude, I see this huge insect in front of me. Wait.
Eat it.
Yeah, a doctor is.
A doctor is recommending people to eat insects. Nice.
Nutritional value.
Yeah,
yes.
Food protein.
Protein powder. Eat cockroaches.
Yeah. All better lizards.
What? Or lizards have protein as well?
How the fuck would I know? What?
You were meant to.
You're a doctor.
Okay.
How does it matter?
I'll come to play CS in a while, but I'll stay in VC and talk to you.
Thank you.
What did I do?
What have you not done? वो बता.
Your mother.
Yeah, then it's fine, dude. You didn't do
That's a
it.
good thing,
What the fuck? That's
Actually, good thing, yeah.
Yeah, that's good, yeah.
But he just had like a chappal pe loda marunga moment.
Okay.
Oh god.
Dude, I uninstalled CS. I'm not coming
Wait, what? Why?
because I don't want to play CS.
Why?
You big mother pussy.
You mother with you.
You non-veg.
What? What? What?
Yeah, that bro. Your mom vitamin A.
What?
Vitamin A.
Yeah.
Sometimes your horniness scares me, bro.
Yeah, dude. That's what my girlfriend says. Sometimes.
Bro,
Yeah, dude. Fuck. I should take something. I think.
yeah, like the opposite of Viagra.
What course are you doing again? BCA, right?
Yep.
3 years
Yep.
in Shrishth University.
Sounds like Srishti University, dude.
No, it's Shrishth, bro.
Christ.
Like Jesus Shrishth.
Christ the Redeemer.
Shrishth, bro.
Jeebus, praise Lord Jeebus.
If I knew, I would have known.
What? What is that sentence? Just say that again, dude.
If I knew, I would have known, bro.
Do you know the what the fuck charges of Burger Bar?
No.
It's like a 7-hearty burger which you have to finish in like 15 minutes, I think.
Oh yeah.
15 minutes is like too little, bro, for like 7-hearty.
It's like that Man versus Food. Adam Richman. Next level.
I miss that shit, bro.
Yeah, dude, definitely. Every time that like we play that on YouTube, that's just like, dude, that's legit food porn.
Your dad uses the word porn around you. Oh,
Yeah. One time, like we were watching Star Trek, and I was like talking about their laws or something. Okay, like the alien planet had stupid laws. So that's like it varies from country to country, right? Like if you're in Singapore and you spit bubblegum onto the pavement, you can get arrested for that, or even arrested for owning a pornographic magazine. And I was just like, okay, he said that. Okay then.
good to know that I will not take my collection of Playboys to
Yeah.
Singapore.
Where has Jimmy gone? Dude, we can literally just play a game while he's coming.
Yeah, that's the beauty of Samsung.
Yep.
I'm back. Wait, what? What happened?
Oh my god.
What happened?
Like this, you literally cannot make this stuff up, man.
Dude, what happened? Arey, what
Oh,
happened?
boy.
What?
You got some cum on your mouth. Nomad nights. Swallow it.
Yeah, your dad came to
Dude, my dad isn't
What?
even in the
That's
same city.
that's like what? Just repeat that and think about it. Wait a second.
Dude, shit. That has to go in the shadow play folders.
6
Yeah.
centimeter dicks are too short because that is like body shaming, right? In a way.
Yeah, obviously it's body shaming.
Exactly.
Okay, never mind.
Fuck you, bro.
No, 6 centimeter dicks are big enough.
Yeah, good you said that.
Yeah.
Otherwise, Berkeley won't accept you.
You gotta be equally accepting of 2
No.
centimeters.
So the last month I was there, they were trying to become a more inclusive university. So they were like, from now on, we'll have our own gay parade and shit. I'm like, yeah,
Oh,
fucking,
gosh.
I'm happy I'm leaving this place.
Imagine they introduce
scholarships based on sizes of dicks, like 2 centimeter के आजा भाई आजा.
Yeah.
What?
Otherwise, yeah, if it's smaller, you go to UC Barbara. So if you don't get into UCST or Berkeley, that is the choice you have left. It's a bad-ish college.
Or you can also go to like UC Bilaspur, bro. University of Chhattisgarh, Bilaspur.
What the fuck?
Bilaspur. Smith, do you want me to give you like an idea?
Sure, answer it.
Dude, like, you put cameras in a local train, okay?
Why?
And let's hear me out, okay? It's a good start.
Already sounding bad.
Okay, you put cameras in a train, okay? And you round up like 10-15 bhikaris, okay?
Okay.
And you put them all on Santa Cruz station, and by the time the train reaches Borivali, the person who collects the most big
Money.
he wins, okay? He wins like the 10,000 rupee reward, and you call it arms race.
Oh my god.
Boys, Roadies track edition. What the fuck?
फेरोक्स भैया आएंगे, सबकी वाट लगाएंगे.
फेरोक्स भैया आएंगे, सबके गान में घुसाएंगे.
भैया गे हो. जोर जोर से चिल्लाएंगे.
Okay then. Okay then.
Oh my god.
That, my friend, is how you two make this lyric.
Yeah. This is what 5 years of porn experience gives you.
Chronic sex.
Porn experience. I wouldn't mind the disease of chronic sex.
Hey, what is going on in the rhythm board, bro? Why can I hear like a water hose?
That is just
Water.
that is just shit leaking out from a diaper, dude.
What? How? Why do you know that? That's what it sounded like.
He's a doctor, bro. He knows.
Yeah.
I mean, you never know.
MasterCard sued for what? 26 billion?
Is it a class action by the OnlyFans thoughts?
Yeah.
It is? Oh, I guess it. Dude, thoughts seething as fuck.
Alright, let them get it through, then we'll start applying. Yes, I had a MasterCard, give me money.
It is suggested that the risk of contracting infection by avoiding contact with infected chiggers. It's chiggers? What? What is chigger? What? Hey, you, what's a chigger?
What chigger?
It is cheetah plus tiger, bro.
I thought it's a Chinese.
Oh, chiggers are ectics.
I thought that's a Chinese black person.
Our controller just seems easy for me.
Nah, controller is good. I'm not saying it's not, but FPS के लिए
No,
बिल्कुल
dude, try to understand. He's saying controllers are easy for him. He is what's it called? Motor physically challenged. That's all he's saying.
Oh, अच्छा, sad.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm shit on controller and keyboard mouse, so not a big deal.
So you are mentally challenged.
My boy pussy is gonna get wrecked tomorrow.
What? Hey, even I want to participate in this group event.
Well, are you a market element? Then if you are, then you can participate.
If you are the element, I could market you. So
I haven't put out applications for someone to be my pimp. Okay, so
who say I'm gonna be?
You can be a
I'm
client,
gonna
but you can't be no
customer.
pimp.
Yeah, that's what I want to be a client, not a pimp asshole.
Going LT or mid.
Bro, I'm putting the bread on the plate and it's rotating on its own.
What? Dude, call the priest. What the? कसम, dude, तेरे झाड़ पे केरोसिन डाल के जला देगा मैं भूसड़ी के.